Hello students, you should pay attention here. Now today I am going to teach you an interesting poem, I Celebrate Myself, written by Walt Whitman. Before we going to the poem, first to introduce about the author. Walt Whitman was 1892. Walt Whitman was born in the year 1819 and died in the year 1892. Popular as the poet of universal values. Was born in the USA. According to universal values, according to his works, people sir identify him. This poet has universal values. Whitman reflected on the society and civilization of America, but he soon evolved as a poet of universal values. His Leaves of Grass, 1855, is a path-breaking epic poem. He mainly focused on the American society and cultural development, but he quickly developed as a poet of universal values. His Leaves of Grass, written in the year 1855. This poem is a groundbreaking poem. Epic means here a long narrative poem. I am going to read the poem. I celebrate myself and sing myself, and what I assume, you shall assume. For every atom belonging to me as good belongs to you. I loaf and invite my soul. I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a spade of summer grass. My tongue, every atom of my blood, formed from this soil, this air, born here of parents, born here from parents the same, and the parents the same. I, now 37 years old, in perfect health begin, hoping to cease not till death. Creeds and schools in abeyance, retiring back a while suffused at what they are, but never forgotten. I harbor for good or bad. I permit to speak at every hazard. Nature without check with original energy. The present poem, opening section of Whitman's longer poem, Songs of Myself, that has 52 sections. The poem is known for its vision of equality. Vision of equality. Equality means all are equal, all are created by the God. Now I am going to explain the poem. In the first stanza, the author praises himself and also praise others also. In the same way, praise the God. What I assume means having particular thing. What I have, that things also you have. That means God offered every equipment to you and me. Equipment means here things. According to this poem, God provided equal things to everyone. That's why our author says all are equal. He wanted to praise himself and others too. For every atom belonging to me. What is that means here? Which type of all things belonging to me from the nature in the same way belongs to you. You can get all sources from the nature. In the second stanza, the author expressed that he wants to praise the nature also. He revoked his immovable soul to notice the greatness of the nature, particularly observing the summer grass and the blade of grass. In this stanza, author glorify the nature. Third stanza. When we read this stanza, we can notice one thing. The speaker of the poem wants to praise the land, parents, Lord. Author particularly point out two things. One is tongue and other thing is blood. He says, I came from the soil. Soil means land. Born here means land. I born in this land. I my parents and their parents also. Now I am 37 years old. Writer tells us, now I am 37 years old. I have perfect health. I wish to pursue this health condition till to death. In the fourth stanza, Whitman says that religious beliefs and writers' opinions stopped for a while. Here, what is the meaning of the schools? Schools means group of writers. In the fourth stanza, Whitman says that religious beliefs and writers' opinions stopped for a while. This time to retiring for preaching the future. We do not believe that religious statement and writers' statements enough to believe their statements. I never forgotten. What is that forgotten? I know the nature energy without check will give to us primal energy. He thought he wanted to speak at every dangerous situations, whether he is in good condition or bad condition. Nature will give to us its original energy. Original energy means here solar energy, wind energy. The nature will give to us equally. In the first stanza, author says that he wanted to praise himself and the readers too. In the second stanza, he appreciates greatness of nature. Third one, he glorifies his land, his parents, and he is happy at his health condition. Fourth one is enough to believe that religious beliefs, writers' preachings. Nature will give to us its original energy. We are in the good, whether we are in the good condition or bad condition. In this poem, author used pronoun I 7 times. 7 times. That means here we have to understand he focus on the celebrate. That means praise himself and the readers too and the God.
For watching.